if you were born a woman, you were born already a wife. He who finds a wife finds a good thing. But you weren't born a woman of valor. Proverbs 31, starting in verse 10, talks about a woman of valor who can find. That word valor in Hebrew means shail, which means strength, which means warrior. And the reason many women will never reach that level is because they're not up for the journey. They're not up for the wilderness season. They're not up for the pain that they're going to experience. A woman of valor becomes a woman of valor because she chose God's will for her life, and that always means going through and not around. So I want to invite you to the workshop that I'm holding Saturday, September 16th. If you can't make it in person, but if you register, you will be able to Zoom in live and get the recording to the whole workshop. And who are you bringing with you? Because if you're in a crowd of people that aren't requiring you to level up, you are in a prison. Why don't you come be around some women that are going to expect you to level up, that are going to pray circles around you and hold you accountable. Click the link in my bio and get registered today.